Good morning, YouTube. Coming at you from Kirkwood. We got
Kirkland, Costco brand out here.
Kirkland. The squad is heavy. It's straight up bluebird right now, and it was not supposed to be. So. No.
Mostly sunny, not mostly cloudy.
Hitting it heavy today. Conditions are all time, dude.
Super.
I want to say that was Amanda's first official board slide. I don't know. That was sick. Oh, dude, what you got on this one? Anything? Oh, what? The squad nailing stuff right now.
Strapped up with your board, dog.
Yeah.
Cool. And then do you want to help us out and just carry that blue splint down?
Of course.
Yeah, definitely. almost got over the drain pack for you.
Yeah.
You guys work here?
I work.
All right, what's up everybody? So I know you guys saw me getting rescued off of the mountain, so I figured I would tell you what that was all about. So obviously I am okay, but since I was about 14 years old, my left shoulder has popped out of socket from time to time. So unfortunately I wasn't filming when this happened somehow. I filmed everything but this moment. I hit a side hit with Nick and fell, and my shoulder popped out of socket. Nick was able to pop it back in for me, and ski patrol took me down so I didn't have to ride down and risk, you know, popping my shoulder out again. So yeah, I'm okay. Nick is a hero. Thank you, Nick, for popping my shoulder back in. And yeah, we're back at the van a few days later after shrouping, dude. That session was so fun. Weather was absolutely incredible. And we are coming in hot with a package, a massive package from my Aunt Michelle. Wow. Looking Christmassy up in here, dude. Holy crap. Christmas.
Oh my god, they're like wrapped presents.
What? What?
And there's one from Mimi and Papa.
Are you kidding me?
Zach and Amanda from Aunt Michelle.
Holy crap. What? Look at how like
Oh, there's cards
amazingly
too.
wrapped this is. Are you kidding?
Let's
That's
open the
amazing.
cards. Small joy, simple goodness, hope renewed. Hope your holidays are filled with all the things that make a wonderful life. With lots of love, Mimi and Papa.
Oh. Oh, thank you. Cookies and milk and extended Christmas. This is incredible. Look at that. Are you kidding?
We can hear it jingling.
Also, sorry for all my sniffling. I'm like kind of dying right now. Like cold or allergies or something. All right, how do I open this because it's so beautiful? I don't even know. Just slide it off, you think, or untie it? Look at this, dude. Are you kidding me? That's sick.
But it's, I know what it is.
You do?
Yep, I can tell by the sound.
Are you serious? Mm-hmm. All right, open this thing. Let's see. Some tape.
I can't believe you don't know.
I have no idea.
Amateur. Why are you so surprised?
Oh! Yes! Oh my gosh, sick!
Which ones are they?
Oh my gosh, Mimi and Papa know what is up. Oh my gosh. What? Hairbender, citrus and dark chocolate Stumptown. House blend, dude. Candied and milk chocolate. Oh my god.
I can't believe you couldn't tell what that was.
Thank you so much, Mimi and Papa.
Thank you. Because I get to drink it too.
Yes. The key to my heart is this.
Yeah,
Yes. This is such a surprise.
so pretty and green. God, they really know how to extend it with the generic boxes.
Right?
Look, he can't see that, but he's freaking out.
What? No way. Dude, that's insane.
It has a...
What?
What? It's like not a hat though, it's like a sock. I don't understand how it works.
Dude,
How did they find this?
how did you find this? You can
Thank
make
you.
calls. You can talk to people on this thing.
Don't.
What? The future is here. Oh my god.
Where's the like? I don't understand where the. Oh, there's one. Yes.
I wonder if it's charged. I wonder if we can pair it right now.
We're at least gonna have a mental breakdown.
Yo. It looks sick. Yeah! Dude! 100-mile jam in Toffee Stumptown, dude. Oh my god, yes! God, we are so hooked up with the beanage right now.
Beanage.
Are you kidding me?
Dude, that's a lot.
This is amazing.
I'm opening this little one.
Charge fast.
Where's?
Live more.
What is it?
The claim.
Is it like a power brick?
It might be. Has to be, right?
It's freaking
It's
heavy.
like a sick one, dude. It's got like a case for it or something. Wow,
Whoa.
dude, that's so nice. Dang.
That'd be really
sick.
nice for trips.
Yo. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Holy crap, dude.
You guys. It's from Aunt Michelle.
Thank you, Aunt Michelle. Holy crap. Thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Merry Christmas.
You have stuff on your face.
Merry Christmas. We love you guys so much. Thanks for making it super special. Could not ask for a better family.